Day 5. Today we will talk about nouns pertaining to the gender, यानी nouns के लिंग प्रकार. There are 4 kinds of nouns based on gender. Number 1, masculine, यानी pulling. Masculine, a noun that denotes the male gender. For example, boy, man, lion, etc. Number 2, feminine, yani striling, feminine, a noun that denotes female gender. For example, girl, lady, lioness, heroine, etc. Number 3, common noun. ये वह nouns हैं जो या masculine या feminine दोनों प्रकार के लिंग के लिए यूज किए जा सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टीचर, प्यूपिल. टीचर कोई भी हो सकता है, कोई पुरुष भी हो सकता है, कोई स्त्री भी हो सकती है. प्यूपिल, प्यूपिल यानी स्टूडेंट. स्टूडेंट कोई भी हो सकता है, कोई पुरुष भी हो सकता है, कोई स्त्री भी हो सकती है. सर्वेंट, थीफ, नेबर, नेबर यानी आपके पड़ोसी, etc. Then fourth category of noun, that is neuter. Neuter यानी नापुंसक लिंग. Neuter is that category of nouns that denote neither male nor female. यानी neuter nouns उनको कहते हैं जो ना ही पुल्लिंग के लिए यूज होते हैं ना स्त्रीलिंग के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बुक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पेन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रूम, etc. Now let's look at the rules for transformation of nouns. यानी एक मैस्कुलिन नाउन को फेमिनिन बनाने के लिए, एक पुल्लिंग को स्त्रीलिंग बनाने के लिए ऐसे कौन से रूल्स हैं जो हमें ध्यान में रखने हैं. नंबर 1, बाय यूजिंग एन इंटायरली डिफरेंट वर्ड. यानी मैस्कुलिन के लिए जो नाउन यूज किया गया है, फेमिनिन के लिए एक बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट और नया वर्ड यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, boy is masculine, girl is feminine. Brother is masculine, sister is feminine. Bull or ox is masculine, cow is feminine. King is masculine, queen is feminine. Number 2, by adding an entire different suffix. Suffix यानी मैस्कुलिन शब्द है, उसके पीछे एक इंटायरली डिफरेंट सिलेबल, एक इंटायरली डिफरेंट सिलेबल लगकर एक नया शब्द बनेगा जो फेमिनिन नाउन के लिए यूज किया जाता है. अब ऐसे कौन से सिलेबल्स हैं जो सफिक्स में यूज होते हैं मैस्कुलिन के? देयर आर ESS, INE, TRIX और A. We'll see some examples. The first one, author is masculine. Author यानी लेखक. Author is masculine. Authoress, इसमें हमने एंड में ऐड कर दिया है ESS. So author becomes authoress in feminine noun. Actor becomes actress. Now here we have dropped the vowel O. ऐसा काफी nouns में होता है that drop a vowel and add ESS in the feminine category of the noun. So actor becomes actress. Hero becomes heroine. Now here we have added INE. Sultan becomes sultana. So here we have added A in the feminine category. Now the syllable ESS is the most used, the most common syllable that is added in the suffix of any word in the masculine category to make it to feminine noun. Number 3, by placing a word before or after in the noun. For example, in the masculine form, the grandfather transforms into grandmother in the feminine form. Here, the father has become mother and grand remains the same. Grandfather यानी दादा या नाना और grandmother यानी दादी या नानी. Landlord becomes landlady. Here, the word lord is transformed to lady in the feminine sphere. Salesman becomes saleswoman. Here, the word man is transformed to woman. Great uncle becomes great aunt. So here we see that by placing a noun before or after, we can transform from masculine to feminine nouns. Now let's practice. Here are some masculine and feminine nouns. For any given masculine noun, we have to fill in the correct feminine version, and for any feminine noun, we have to fill in the correct masculine version. Let's start with the first. Peacock. In masculine form, peacock yani more. Peacock becomes peahen. So here we will write peahen. Now here, next feminine is washerwoman. We will transform the word woman to man, make it masculine. So the masculine version becomes washerman. Washerman. Fox. Fox yani lomdi. Fox in masculine form becomes vixen in feminine form. Vixen. Czar. Now it is not Khazar, it is not Caesar, it is just Czar. C remains silent. Czars are basically Russian kings. So Czar becomes Tsarina in feminine sphere. Tsarina. Empress in feminine form becomes emperor in the masculine form. Prince in the masculine forms becomes princess in the feminine form. Lady in the feminine form becomes lord in the masculine form. Now there is an entire list of masculine to feminine nouns in the description box below. You can find out and practice on your own. Do let us know how did you find today's session. We'll see you in the next session. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.